Hey guys, it's me Josh from Tech. So I got another video for you today, and it's another Raspberry Pi video which I haven't been lacking on in the past months, but with the hype of the Raspberry Pi 2 come out and with Windows 10 release for the Raspberry Pi with Internet of Things, I thought I might just give you a go and give another video on this one. And today it's on how to remote desktop into your Raspberry Pi from your Linux, Mac or Windows machine, which I'm using Windows, but I'm sure it will work with both of them. I have been told it does. Now, this is great because especially if you haven't got an extra keyboard, mouse, monitor, it's great if you just want to connect in. What you're going to need though, you need to connect from the same LAN connection. So if you're on the same Wi-Fi network or SSID, you should be fine. So next you're going to need to go into your Raspberry Pi, and there's a couple of things you just need to make sure you got set up already. I'm already remote desktoped in, but if you're on your Raspberry Pi right now, it's best to do this and follow it through. So we're going to go into the LX terminal. Just let it run up. And now we need to enable SSH. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into it and go into raspi/config. We've got to press that. Alright, we've got to do it as we need to use it sudo. I'm clever here, and I'm trying to do a tutorial and I can't even give you the right command. Alright, I'll put it down in the description so you know. I'm not really used to Linux, but I'll give it a go. And there we go, we're into the file. Alright, okay, now we're into the Raspberry Pi config. Now what we need to do is go to find, it should be here. There we go. We need to find SSH. Would you like to enable it? We make sure enabled. We're already enabled, so we're all fine, because how would I be remote desktoping from this? So we've now done it. What we're going to do is just going to click finish. Now we're done. Now we've done this, we need to install a remote desktop client. The one I'm using is called XRDP. Quite simple. It's just going to do what you want it to do. One thing with this client is that it doesn't map keyboard mapping. So if it takes the American keyboard. So if you've got American keyboard, you should be fine. But things like if I'm going to press hashtag right now, it goes as a / Not amazing, but it gets the job done, and that's why you're watching my video. So next, what we need to do is do a simple install command from the Raspberry Pi. So we're going to use sudo apt-get install xrdp, and then we're going to press enter. Now, because I've already got it in, it should be fine. But obviously this will run into your command system, and obviously we've got the newest version. Now you've got it. That is the main crucial thing. And I'm just going to teach you one more thing before we re-log into this device. So we're going to first tell you how to actually start and stop the service, but I'm not going to press enter, because if I press enter I lose my Raspberry Pi's remote desktop capability. So we're going to go to sudo service stop. Oh no, xrdp stop, and if we press enter, that stops the Raspberry Pi's remote desktop client running. So that's great if you want to stop it at some point. I don't know why you would, but if you want to. And sudo service xrdp start, and again that's going to restart it up again. Okay guys, now we've done that, we're just going to log out. I close it, and what I'm going to do is log in. Now to do this, you're going to need your Raspberry Pi's IP address. So if you don't know that, there's tons of tutorials out there, or on Google on the Raspberry Pi forums. Just check them out, and you can find out what your Raspberry Pi's IP address is. Once you've done that, you need to enter that into remote desktop's enter area, and once you've done that, not that. Once you have done that, you can click on, let's go into my Raspberry Pi, click on my remote desktop client, and here we go. Now we're into the XRDP client, so we're going to click on Pi, Raspberry, and that should be your default username and password, and it loads up quite quickly actually, and there we go, we have a remote desktop client. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe, or comment below telling me what you like about it or what you don't like about it, and tell me any fixes that you want to see, and I'll see if I can get on the developers and help them out. And if you want to see more videos of the Raspberry Pi, make sure to smash that like button, and I'll give you a virtual high five, and it'll be awesome.